Do you know what triggers constipation? Medical experts attribute it to various factors, including lack of movement, stress, age, medications, and inadequate fiber and water intake, among others. However, it can also result from underlying health conditions. Consulting a doctor and addressing any related ailments is essential for resolving this issue. According to recent statistics, experts suggest that 1 in every 10 individuals experiences irregular bowel movements. If you find yourself among this group, you'll want to pay close attention to the information provided below. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to prepare the finest and most potent natural laxative. This remarkable remedy, often referred to as hospital jam, has been proven highly effective, even in severe cases of constipation, and is frequently prescribed by doctors. The beauty of this homemade recipe lies in its simplicity and efficacy. Following straightforward instructions, you'll witness remarkable results. Here's what you need to do. Natural laxative jam recipe. To prepare this recipe, gather the following ingredients: 1 cup of dates, 1 cup of prunes, 5 cups of boiling water. Directions: it's very simple. First, you need to cut the dates and prunes into small pieces and add them to the boiling water. Then, you need to cook them until the mixture becomes thick. You should get 1 tablespoon, servings of each. This mixture is useful and beneficial for people of all ages. You can consume it like that of added to your morning breakfast, be it a glass of yogurt, a bowl of cereals, or whatever you prefer. Because prunes are loaded with fiber and they have high amounts of sorbitol, which is a natural sugar that loosens the stool. This eases constipation in a short period of time. Note: if you don't like this remedy, you can add dried prunes to water and leave it overnight to then drink in the morning. This will help you to produce a bowel movement in the morning by loosening stools. The experts say that soluble fiber allows more water to remain in your stool, making waste softer, larger, and thus, easier to pass through your intestines. And you should be very careful and don't ignore any symptoms or warning signs. If you notice abdominal pain or blood in your stool, then you should see your doctor immediately. And, if you suffer from this health problem, you should make some lifestyle changes: eat healthy food, fruits and vegetables, drink plenty of water, avoid alcohol, sleep more, etc. We really hope you find this video helpful and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you.